Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome to our channel Nisha's French classes. Guys, thank you for all the response that we have been getting from your end. I am sure the videos that we have been uploading are of great help. Now, today's video, we will not be discussing too much about other things since this video is being intended to keep short. Today's video is going to be a very short question on topic conversation 1 is about house and maison. Guys, what happens is if you have seen our previous video where there was I was trying to explain conversation 1 and conversation 2, there we do not know what the examiner is going to ask. So here in this video there are these 5 questions which the examiner usually will ask the student. This is from the examiner's copy. These questions are directly from the examiner's copy. So I will explain you how the question will come and how would you be able to answer them. Again, this video is intended to help you. So please guys, like, subscribe and share because this is only made for you guys. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start into our this thing. The theme today is Manger et Boire. So here these questions are being taken from one of the role play questions that had come in the past, and the teacher what questions she had asked the students. So let's dive into the question. The first question, see guys, always remember the first 3 questions are going to be very easy. They're not going to be like trying to screw you up, or no, it is not going to be that. It's going to be a combination of 5 questions. The first 3 questions are going to be general questions. What is the time limit is you have to answer them. You will get 3 marks for this. So please respect the question and respect the answer that you could give for that. Like, qui prépare le dîner à la maison? Who prepares dinner at your house? So the answer could be ma mère prépare le dîner chez moi, or ma mère prépare. Do not try not to answer in one line because this is a 3-mark answer, and do not answer in a very long format that you start missing out on other questions. So the second question over here is d'habitude où est-ce que tu prends le déjeuner? Usually, where do you take your lunch? So over here the vocabulary about salle à manger, then here there could be multiple answers. You could say je prends mon déjeuner à la école, I take it at the school. Moi je suis demi-pensionnaire. Then you could say moi je prends le déjeuner à la cantine. Moi je prends le déjeuner à ma maison car j'habite près de ma maison. Anything you could answer. It should be usually explaining about the lunch vocabulary, the place. Over here it is d'habitude. So you could say sometimes if you have time you could even say that what do you take for lunch. Do not try to elaborate this a lot. Décrire le dernier repas que tu as cuisiné pour ta famille. So here you could answer this a little longer. Describe the last meal that you had cooked for your family. So over here you could say what you had prepared last. This is your personal response answer. So you could say le dernier repas j'ai préparé. Here, see, respect that it is dernier repas. So you have to use passé composé. You cannot use present tense. So here the key indicator or the key factor would be use passé composé. Tu as cuisiné. See, when the teacher is talking, you may miss out. So you could always say, pouvez-vous répéter s'il vous plaît, madame? Can you please repeat? There is no way that teacher would not repeat back to you because she is going to be trying to make you comfortable and not make you nervous. So you could always tell her, can you repeat, ma'am? Here, if you do not answer this, there is an alternative question the teacher could ask if you have not understood this question. So it will be, fais la description de un repas que tu as préparé pour ta famille. So it's the same question reformulated or reframed in a different way. So this again, see, a past question has to be answered in past to get marks. You cannot answer a past question in future or in present. Definitely you will not get marks. You will get marks, but you will not get the desired marks that you want. So you have to be very careful. Okay, so fourth one is selon toi est-il important d'avoir un régime équilibré? Then teacher will stop, and then she'll ask you why. So according to you, is it important to have a balanced diet, and why? So here this is a personal response question. So here you could have multiple answers, because we have been studying about health and food items and food vocabulary, and why you have multiple answers over here. Repeating again, I am not giving answers so that you do not take the same answers to the exam. There are multiple answers available in your textbooks. If you go, there are chapters on health, food, sports. You could pick those topics up and could answer this is a very important answer. Only criteria here could be, always start with salam muavi, because it's your opinion based question. So whatever opinion you have, clearly give it on this. And if you cannot answer this, she will definitely have an alternative question. Est-ce que tu manges des repas équilibrés? In your opinion, do you eat a balanced diet? And then why should be the answer. So in this, then there's a fifth question, which would be, à l'avenir, in the future, aimerais-tu devenir ou rester végétarien? Pourquoi? In the future, would you want to be vegetarian, and why? See, again, this is a personal response question. In the future, what would you like to become? You want to become a vegetarian? Yes. Or you do not want to become a vegetarian? Why? So you just have to answer, maybe because of health reasons. Again, I'm not giving this answer in French because you would pick it up and speak. I do not want that. So you could say, oui, à l'avenir, je vais, or j'aimerais, whatever you like. Please respect the tense again. Why would you like to become, why would you like to be vegetarian? There are n number of reasons. Health could be one, environment could be one, then staying fit would be one. So there can be n number of reasons, which we have studied with this health and food chapter. So there are a lot of pointers which could be used over here as for health reasons. So again, if you could not answer that question, teacher would give you an alternative question. À l'avenir, est-ce que tu voudrais être végétarien? So in the future, would you want to be vegetarian, and why? Again, the question would remain same, only the teacher would reformulate it for you. There is not going to be any changes in the question. Guys, I would link down some more questions related to this topic in the description. You could go through them. Definitely let me know in comments if you really want some other help. This paper was from the board examiners paper, and what questions they have asked to the students. So in case you need any help, please come back to us. We have linked our website address. You can mail us, message us, whatever you have queries, definitely come down to us. You can put it in the message if you want any specific topics for reading, writing, because guys, this videos are made only to help you. So if anything needed, please let us know, and I would like you to please like, subscribe and share, because this video may help a lot of people. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.